Choosing the right project management software is a big decision. You need a tool that not only helps you organize tasks, track progress, and manage resources, but also keeps your valuable project data secure. If you're considering Scoro, a common and crucial question is Scoro secure? As a project management expert, I understand that data security isn't just a technical detail. It's fundamental to the success and reputation of any project and business. In this video, we'll delve into Scoro security measures, breaking down the technical jargon into simple, understandable language. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting your journey, you'll gain a clear picture of how Scoro safeguards your information. Understanding the importance of security in project management. Think about the sheer volume and sensitivity of the data you handle in project management. This includes client information, financial details, project plans, communication logs, and intellectual property. A data breach can have severe consequences, ranging from financial losses and legal liabilities to reputational damage and loss of client trust. Therefore, the security features of your project management software are paramount. Scoro's approach to security, a multi-layered defense. Scoro understands these risks and employs a comprehensive, multi-layered approach to security. This means they don't rely on just one or two measures, but implement several safeguards working together to protect your data. Let's explore some of the key aspects. 1. Data encryption, keeping information confidential. Imagine sending a secret message. Encryption is like putting that message in a special code that only the intended recipient can understand. Scoro uses encryption to protect your data both when it's traveling between your computer and their servers, in transit, and when it's stored on their servers, at rest. Encryption in transit. When you log into Scoro or update a task, the information you send is secured using Transport Layer Security, TLS, encryption. This is the same technology that banks and e-commerce websites use to protect your online transactions. It ensures that even if someone intercepts the data being transmitted, they won't be able to read it. Encryption at rest. Scoro also encrypts your data when it's stored on their servers. This adds another layer of security, ensuring that even in the unlikely event of unauthorized access to their physical servers, the data remains unreadable without the decryption keys. 2. Secure infrastructure, the foundation of security. The physical and digital infrastructure that hosts Scoro services is built with security in mind. They utilize reputable and secure data centers with robust physical security measures, including access control, surveillance, and environmental safeguards. On the digital front, Scoro employs various techniques to protect their systems from cyber threats. This includes firewalls to block unauthorized access, intrusion detection systems to identify and respond to suspicious activity, and regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. 3. Access control. Who can see what? Effective project management often involves collaboration, but it's crucial to control who has access to specific information. Scoro provides granular access control features, allowing administrators to define user roles and permissions. This means you can specify exactly what each team member can see and do within the platform. For example, you might want a client to only see the progress of their specific project and not your internal financial details. Scoro's access control features enable you to set these boundaries, ensuring that sensitive information remains protected. 4. Data backups, ensuring business continuity. Imagine losing all your project data due to an unexpected event. It would be a nightmare. Scoro implements regular data backups to prevent such a scenario. These backups are stored securely in separate locations, ensuring that even if there's a system failure or data loss in one area, your information can be recovered. This commitment to data backup is crucial for business continuity and gives you peace of mind. 5. Regular security updates and monitoring, staying ahead of threats. The landscape of cyber threats is constantly evolving. What was secure yesterday might not be secure today. Scoro understands this and invests in continuous security updates and monitoring. Their security team stays informed about the latest threats and vulnerabilities, proactively patching their systems and implementing new security measures as needed. This proactive approach is essential for maintaining a strong security posture. 6. Compliance with industry standards. Adhering to best practices. Scoro strives to comply with relevant industry standards and regulations related to data security and privacy. While specific certifications may vary, their commitment to adhering to best practices demonstrates their dedication to maintaining a high level of security. This commitment provides an extra layer of assurance that your data is being handled responsibly. 7. Transparency and communication. Keeping you informed. A trustworthy provider is transparent about its security practices. Scoro provides information about their security measures in their documentation and is generally responsive to security-related inquiries. This openness allows you to understand their approach and make informed decisions.